why you playing games? Baby, why you fucking with a lame? Cause that nigga not gon' change, so that we are not the same. But you are with me, switching lanes, but I won't try you insane. Baby girl, be my main thing. I'm just tryna change things. Baby, stop playing games. Stop playing games. I see your stories on IG, I know you got a man. I also see you always posting when he make you mad. He be playing with them pennies, got you looking bad. Use a diamond, you and him, that shit.
What's going on? You know it's your boy, Little T. Back in full effect, you already know how I'm rocking, man. Hey, man, check it out. So we got spraying people in the public, man. It's that boy. Oh my God, it's Mooch, man. My man's be really funny as shit, but this should be funny. If he act like he's sneezing, that shit should be funny. But if he just go my spray, yeah, okay, it's gonna be funny. Oh, I thought that was perfect last, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's like, why are you so? What you say? Don't worry, we will not water. Huh? No, I'm not waiting. No. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh my God, it's Bill Roots, man. Look, man, today's video, I brought this spray bag, y'all. I brought the spray bag. I'm gonna be doing a sneezing on random strangers part 2. I heard it was a flu going around, and it's like winter season, so a lot of people are sick. So I'm like, this.
Yeah, real shit, bro. Cause I am starting to get a little sick. I'm trying to fight it right now before it gets too bad. Like I know when I get sick. When I get sick, my throat get itchy first.
I'm gonna go and sneeze on random strangers, and we're gonna get their reactions. And I'm gonna try to push the limit. I'm gonna try to go extreme on this video. Let's see how it goes. And look, man, get the merch too. Today I got the red hoodie on. This is one of my favorites.
Chosen.
Says Chosen with a star. Get y'all the merch. It's gonna be linked in the description, y'all. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere up here.
Chosen. Motherfucking ice on frozen.
Instagram too, y'all. I'm doing a lot of giveaways on the hoodies and everything. So get me the 100K on Instagram and DM me after you follow. And I'm gonna send y'all some hoodies. Alright, let's get this spraying on people. We go. Oh shit. I know you're fucking lying.
Is she cute too? She said, "Bitch, I know you fucking lying."
Oh shit.
I know you're fucking lying.
My bad.
You're doing too much.
My bad. I apologize. You good? Huh? You want me to clean it?
You want me to clean it?
It's cold outside, that's why. You want me to clean it? Want me to clean it?
No, I'm not.
I'm doing too much? See, I only sneezed on you because you was looking good.
Nigga say, I only sneezed on you because you was looking good. Hell no, what the fuck you sneezed on me for? You could have just told me I look good.
That shit made me nervous. She made me nervous. I was vlogging and stuff, but I was trying to talk to her and I just sneezed. Like the nervous, I was a little nervous. That's bad.
That's bad.
For real. I was literally vlogging though. Like using my vlog. I was trying to talk to you.
I got a girlfriend.
For real.
She lying.
Sneeze up.
No. Yeah,
Yeah.
get him in it.
Documentary. Yeah. Yeah, type shit. Yeah, bro, you fucking on my you good. You recording. Yeah, it's not. Y'all was trying to talk to girl, look. Cause he been fucking me up, bro. You saw that girl? I was trying to talk to her, bro.
Real shit.
Yeah, it's good though. Cause I fuck with you though. You know what I mean? She was Hollywood anyway. Maybe we gonna fuck with Hollywood.
Well, Hollywood girl, yeah.
Like, what if I just trying to see where asking for directions or something? You know what I mean? Like, you don't gotta ignore me. You don't gotta be rude. She was being like Hollywood. You feel me? How y'all doing? You doing good, bro?
My man take his eyes off the camera, man.
I could sit right here? Buddy?
Yeah, you could.
I just having a lonely day. Yeah, I'm straight. Huh?
Oh, you good, bro?
Excuse me?
You good?
What you mean?
You good? Hey, bro, you good?
Nah, it's cold outside. I've been sneezing.
Hey, she cool about it. Yeah, second time you did it on purpose.
What are you doing? You're tripping. Why are you throwing water on me? Why are you throwing water on me? Why are you throwing water?
What is hell? I'm over her. What is hell? Nigga put a more face on. What is hell? What is dumbass up? Cause you're the second time, alright, I'm with her. She let the first one slide. The second one, yeah, you geeking. Fuck is you geeking for?
Water on me. What are you doing?
We both wet now. You got it on my face, I got it on you. Fuck is you talking about?
Why are you throwing water on me? Why are you throwing water? Look, you on video. Who's fucking with you? Look, it's a water spray, literally. You good? What the fuck? You just wet me.
My bad. You wet me too. My hair done.
Damn! What the fuck?
Hey,
That was a lot of water, bro.
that was a lot of water.
Oh shit, I'm really wet, bro. Hey, it's cool we put you on my video though? You got anger problems?
Nah, bro.
Why you just did that?
Cause when you keep sneezing in my face, like,
So you just throw water?
yeah, cover your mouth.
That wasn't even water. I
Nigga,
think
you
that
know
was,
HIV going around and shit. Don't do that.
it was literally water though.
Hell no, I don't know where your mouth been at.
Where-
In that coop.
All up in that coochie, you heard me?
Yeah, that wasn't even water. That was like some 7-Up stuff.
Some
bro.
Sprite, he sticky.
What the fuck? You out? Alright. Damn.
Sorry about that.
Nah, you good.
It was sticky as hell. Hair probably sticky.
Damn, bro. I don't even think that shit was water, bro. Nah, it don't burn my eyes. It's just,
Sticky.
it don't smell like water, bro. That shit smell like 7-Up. Yeah, I'm a little wet, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What's up, bro? Y'all just seen me?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
said it. I was like, ooh, I don't even know who he is.
Yeah. Let's get, let's take a picture. You wanna say something to the camera? The people watching?
But you want to say, you don't know what to
Shout
say.
your Instagram.
Hey, that's love, man. That's love.
What's up, man? Y'all go follow my boy, VXL.TRX. Trey.
Yeah. Tricky Trey. Tricky Trey.
Yeah.
Wait, I can take a picture right quick.
Let's do it.
Them boys nervous. Dang shit, fuck is you talking about? Alright, damn, mama, how many pictures you taking, baby?
Thank you. All right, bro. Thank you. My kid, I don't even know you. I know my kids know you.
I think she called him a moose.
I seen a video. I was like, I live across the street. I was like, they look like he like right there.
Yeah. You watched the latest video? Nah, you gotta watch it, bro. You gotta watch it, alright? Yeah, you gonna see it. What's your name? Trey, right? That's your brother? What's your name, man? You watch the videos too? Alright, I'm gonna see y'all around, alright? Y'all keep being good in school and stuff.
Did you just sneeze on me?
My bad, I got allergies.
Okay, but if you're sick, you need to stay away.
They have a mask
If
on.
you're sick, you need to get away.
No, it's because I was trying to talk to you.
Okay, but you don't need to be doing all that.
I can't talk to you?
No.
Why?
Can you sneeze on me, right?
It's it's an accident though.
Okay.
You want me to leave?
Yes. Thank you.
Alright, my bad. I was about to leave. I promise.
Nigga said I was about to leave.
I was just about to leave.
That's weird.
Ah.
Okay. You don't need to be doing all that. I told you once.
Leave, just leave.
Yes.
Look, it's not a routine. Look, you on video.
Oh, she work at Raising Cane's. Oh my god.
Yeah, well, I've been seeing like shopping, and then I just came from the back, try to fuck with you. It was
Where
a
you
joke.
get that hoodie from?
Oh, this
It's
my.
kind of hard.
You fuck with my hoodie? That's my hoodie. Like I make these. This my merch.
So you do videos and you make hoodies?
Yeah, I make hoodies too.
What's the shop? Where can I get it from?
I'm gonna hook you up though, but it's cool if I put you on there?
Yeah.
You was really finna call security on me?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, I don't do that. It's COVID. It's winter time.
It's cause you was looking good. I was really just trying to talk to you too.
So that's how you get at females?
Yeah.
I was just trying to get it.
Oh, he got her. He got her.
He the first person like I seen today, like when I just came in, like interacted with type shit. Yeah.
Niggas just lie.
Huh?
You lying.
I'm lying?
Oh, she like you,
I'm
man.
not lying, bro. I'm lying.
Oh, first?
Yeah, the first. First person I interacted with. Like, actually interacted with. So I'm gonna take your gram down, alright? That's cool?
Huh?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I'm gonna take your gram down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got her. You got her. Easy.
Yeah, because I felt that and I was like, the fuck?
My bad. I'm trying to do my video. What's your name?
Moya.
Moya?
Moya.
What is you?
What is you?
Like,
Where you from?
Like,
I'm
what?
black and white.
Real? So, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have a great
Don't
day.
be doing that though.
I ain't gonna be doing that. I'm gonna let you get back to your
Alright, thank you.
grocery shopping. Yeah, keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah.
Get the respect thing to CJ.
She got real mad first, but you feel me? It's all about confidence at the end of the day. She kept looking at me, y'all, and she kept, you know what I mean?
You real shit.
She didn't walk away all the way. So if you stay confident, you stay at it, you gonna get it. Confidence is the key. You watching it. We gone. My bad. I got allergies.
You good, bro?
Huh?
You good?
Nah, I got allergies.
Why you come up?
No, it's cause I was passing by. It was an accident.
Man, alright, bro.
Yeah, move around, my nigga.
Wipe it off.
Nah, I'm good.
You sure?
Straight.
Hey, he cool. He said, want me to wipe it off?
You want me to wipe it off?
Nah, I'm good.
You sure?
Straight.
My allergies acting up. It's the weather and stuff.
What I just say?
It's an accident.
Move around.
How that's an accident? I just told you, bro.
What you mean? I'm walking past you.
Around, bro.
I am moving around.
You ain't moving around.
You-
You still behind me. You still sneezing on me again.
You could have moved. You know I was sneezing.
Man, what you mean I could have moved?
Why you
dog?
touching me, bro? What you got? It was a sneeze. Relax. You don't gotta touch me though.
Move, bro.
Why you touching me though?
Go.
Just
Why
go,
you
fuck.
touching me, bro?
Because, man, you just sneezed on me, dog.
He wait for them kids to dip.
Accident.
Bro, it ain't no accident when you just
Watch when them kids dip. Watch.
Once, and I let you make it the first time. Now shoot.
Stop touching me, bro. You don't gotta touch me though. You good? It's a sneeze, bro. That's it. Look, look, you on video. Look, we recording you. Look, this my mic. This thing, bro. Ain't nothing personal, bro. You good? You straight? We were recording.
Boy, he was ready to take your ass through that window.
You ain't trying to fight me, bro.
I would too.
You having a good day, bro?
Nah, I wouldn't have no good day when you come around playing.
Bro, I'm trying to keep my composure, bro.
I got snot on the back of my neck, man. You know, everybody out here sick, COVID.
Ah, it's a little tough, bro. It's that water, bro.
Man, that's
And then my mic fell. I'm like, bro, it's a video
I
right
ain't even noticed it.
You
I
ain't even peep
just
it.
was like, bro, why is this man sneezing on me?
Real shit.
You know,
Fake laughs,
I
fake
heard
laughs.
that, bro. My bad, I did not mean to mess your
You
mood.
good, man. I just, got a lot of stuff going on, so, that just kind of just
A little
threw me off
joke,
a
bro.
little bit, man.
Low harmless pranks. This is water, bro. Literally just water. And,
That shit feel like some snob.
Some snob.
What about it, though?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Bring it in, bro. It's joking shit. Some girl.
Oh shit. She got her best friend with her.
What the fuck? Did this nigga just sneeze on me? Nigga, why did you do that? Why did you sneeze on me?
Nah, it's because
It's
the
fucking
weather.
COVID. Like, I don't know the fuck your mouth in it, my nigga.
Nah, it's,
That shit.
it was an accident.
That's nasty. I should get my nigga come get. It doesn't matter if it's accident. Why the fuck you close to me, my nigga?
It was like a
It
quick
doesn't
thing.
matter, but why you so close to me? You good?
Because I was just trying to pass by.
Tissue? Pass by. Do you
Yeah.
just sneeze your ass that fucking way? Now sneeze your ass this fucking
Why
way.
y'all
I told you her best friend gonna be her tag team partner, bro. A girl and her best friend, they like this, bro. They like this.
Because you sneeze on me, bro. It's fucking cold. This shit is going on here. Nigga, you probably got diamonds. I got 75.
Y'all good. Y'all good. Y'all can keep walking.
Okay. No, you keep walking.
I'm walking.
Yeah, you walk first.
I ain't gonna lie. This nigga tripping. This nigga really tripping.
I like sneezing on people.
Don't put don't do no shit like that.
I like sneezing on
You
people.
want video? Look, you want video? You want video? Look, it's a spray. It's a spray. Hey,
Bitch, I got a whole slick press, my nigga. You gonna pay for this shit? This shit costs $200.
I didn't even spray you that much. It's a joke. We seen y'all walking. Look, we literally.
I'm natural, baby. I got 4C here. I got that African booty scratcher here. Nigga, I got that cookie bug.
For real?
Fuck, you know how long this cookie bug. You know how long this hoe took to slick my shit down, bro?
Did it?
Dead ass. Don't do that shit no more.
I already knew she was gonna say some shit about that, bro. I knew it, bro. I fucking knew it.
Nigga, why the fuck are you so close? What is you sneezing? What's going on?
I got allergies.
Why are you so fucking close?
See, I went to X first.
Trying to walk past you.
She's like, nigga, don't try to make up no excuse. Why the fuck you sneeze on me?
Nah, see a girl walking. We sneeze on her.
Nigga, why the fuck are you so close? What is you sneezing? What's going on?
I got allergies.
Why are you so fucking close though?
No, it's because I was just trying to walk past you.
You trying to walk
'Cause,
past you sneezing on people and shit. People is sick. Like,
No, I have
it's
allergies.
not making sense though. Allergies. We're not talking about the allergies. Fuck the allergies.
Fuck the allergies.
Why are you this close?
Right.
All this space. And you this
It was
close
an
to someone
accident.
who sneezes
It was an
and shit.
accident.
That don't matter. You don't back the fuck up. You know you got allergies and you're sick. Back the fuck up.
Back the fuck up, you heard me.
It was an accident.
I don't give a fuck about no accident. Don't sneeze on nobody.
My bad. I'm going.
Fucking much. Like, why are you so fucking
Ah,
much?
relax. What you touching me for?
Because you doing too much.
What you doing? Relax.
No, it doesn't matter.
I got
All that
allergies.
shit, It doesn't matter. If you
I
know
have-
that, like, what the fuck?
Why are you on my
Because
face?
you're this close, so now we all up in each
I
other's face.
got
So what?
allergies.
It doesn't matter. I don't give a fuck about allergies.
Okay, you can get on my face.
No, it ain't no get up on my face because the first time you sneezed, the second time now you just doing too much.
Real shit.
It was an
So what? It
accident.
doesn't matter. I
Why
don't
are you
care.
on my face?
Because you want some.
Look, you on?
It
Look,
don't
they're
matter.
recording you. Look, you on camera.
It may record it. What the fuck you recording?
Look, it's a video. It's a video. It's a video. Look. I just dropped my spray. It's not sneeze. It's a joke. It was a prank.
For real.
It's
Now what
a,
if I just start taking off on your ass? Then what?
I could handle
Yeah,
you.
you would have did it the third time. You probably would have, yeah.
I could.
Damn. She be talking shit, boy. She be talking her shit. Don't make her mad, bro. If you in a relationship with her, bro, oh my god. What the fuck? You can do that? I didn't know you could do that shit.
It's a joke.
Now if he get beat up, then what you gonna do?
It's literally water.
Whatever, okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm
You
okay.
good? You sure?
I'm okay.
She's starting to hit me. She crazy. You got that, man?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. My bad. It's a sneeze. My bad. Let me. No, it's a water. Amigo, Frank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Man, say get the fuck out of my face.
It was a prank. Nah, it's water, bro. It was water. He got a little.
You're in Houston, you gonna get shot.
It was a joke.
Don't say you in Houston, you gonna get shot.
It was a harmless prank. How you doing?
Don't worry me with no water.
Huh? No, I'm not waiting.
Fucked up in this house.
No, I was trying to talk to you. But what's your name?
I'm Mooch. Where you from? Houston? What you about to get into? Photo shoot? Hey, I got a photo shoot coming too. Like you could model for it. Hey, tap into my Instagram and stuff. My phone about to die.
There we go. They called security for you.
Yeah, I'm finna dip, bro. I just gotta get her number real quick. Instagram. That's what I do. You gonna see yourself on there, alright?
Hey man, that's gonna do it for that boy Young Mooch, man. Swear he did had a motherfucking cakeys. Fuck you talking about? But yeah, man, let's go do it for that video. Don't you want to see down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the vibe, man. Peace.